Hi everyone, welcome to another Mama Elephant intro video. This is Rena. Today I have a new stamp set for the April 15th release. This is Marine Friends, and those dolphins and little sea animals are oh so cute. Also have a new cover die. This is the Making Waves cover die. It's similar to the Cloud one, and I love these types of dies because it makes it so easy to make a card front because it is a standard size, and it makes it super easy to decorate. Also, don't forget to stop by tomorrow. We'll have 2 more product reveals, and I'm loving this release. It's very summer, and I just love making summer cards and sea theme cards. It's like one of my favorite things to make. So here we have the Marine Friend stamp set. I've stamped it out on Memento Tuxedo Black ink on Neenah 110 pound paper. I'm not gonna lie, I was tempted to color these adorable dolphins in pink because I did Google it, and there are in fact pink dolphins in the Amazon. But I decided to color it the normal gray color, and I looked at pictures of dolphins online, and they do have a white underbelly, which makes it super easy to color because you're kind of coloring the edges. I am using the N colors in my Copic markers, and I will list the Copic marker colors down below. I wanted to strategize where I was going to put my color down because I did want that white underbelly to be white, and I have a tendency to color white areas gray. So I'm outlining in my light gray marker, which is N0, where I want the color to stop, and then I'm not touching that white underbelly area. Once I know where my underbelly starts, then I can take my darker end markers and fill in the shading. So you see here I have that really light color, and I'm kind of saving that white area, and then when I know where the white area is, I'll take the darker colors and start outlining the dolphin and then start blending out the color, making sure that I keep that belly white. Now that the dolphins are done, I'm coloring the little accessory sea creatures, and these things are so adorable. I can't even. I really love that seahorse, and I really love that little baby fish. And these are really cute because all of the animals come with a big mama one and a little baby one, so it's really nice for making scenes. I also really love the little seaweed and little plant accessory pieces, so I colored a few of those. And I also wanted to use different color themes instead of kind of like the regular, so I did use autumn colors for my sea themed summer card, but I really liked how it came out. So I did cut out the new cover die. This is A2 size, so it fits your card front perfectly, and this is the Making Waves one. It's similar to the Cloud one. So right now I'm doing some ink blending. And the colors that I'm using are in the Distress Oxides are the Evergreen Bow and the Old Paper. And I always forget how amazing old paper is. It's kind of this, I can't even explain the color. It's like a antique yellow green, and it goes really well with that evergreen bow. So I'm just doing some masking in between the little slits. I'm making sure that there's a white area because I like contrast in my cards, just so things stand out. So I'm just blending away, and I think I'm using the top of my ink pad to hold down the paper, but it's really fun to ink blend this piece because you can make it really dimensional. I'm taking one of the sentiments from the stamp set, and I'm just gonna stamp it in the middle, and it says Big Birthday Fishes. I did cut out my images using the coordinating dies, and then I'm just gonna place them on my card. I really love that little baby dolphin too, and his cute little belly. So I did want to have pops of color, so I have orange, and then I did use my Xyron sticker maker just so it would be easy and I could just stick them, and this card went super fast. So I'm going to just adhere it to the front of the card, and I'm going to embellish it with sequins and bubbles, and I always like to pull those little bubble embellishments for under the C cards because it just looks like water droplets and it looks so nice. So I'm adding some gold confetti and then also some mini gold stars just so I can have variation in my embellishments. After the embellishments are adhered, the card is done. Super easy. I hope you enjoyed my card using the new Marine Friends stamp set with the Making Waves cover die. This will be available April 15th. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you guys soon. Have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye guys.